Haven't been doing a whole lot this week, mostly continuing to fold fabric. But while I was folding fabric, I ran across these three prints together. And they look real good together, but I was thinking of making like one of those 3-yard quilts. But if you look, they got all kind of the same. They're all kind of be boring. So I went over to the stash and I found this awesome blue print with flowers. And I think I am going to use either the yellow and the green or the blue and the green with it, and the other piece of fabric will just go on the back into the stash. I'm not sure which way it'll go. Definitely the green. I'm just not sure if it'll be the yellow or the other one. And I went out a few times this week. I sat down at the beach, and I've been working on my little hexagons. Yeah, they're little. I'm going to have to, I got enough to finish this piece here. I'll just put more around this edge. Then it gets put in the box with a whole bunch of others. Then I'm going to have to get more fabric cut for this. I did have a AccuQuilt cutter made. You can see how tiny these actually are. Like fingernail size. A die made for cutting the hexagons, but somehow when my stuff got moved out of my sewing room, it kind of disappeared into a box, and I still haven't located it yet. So I am cutting fabric by hand. The other thing I've been doing is working on folding fabric. I'm getting closer to the bottom of the tote. Most of these are half-yard pieces. I was surprised that I thought they were fat quarters, but most of them are half yards. So I just fold them around the ruler. Fold them, put them down. I'll take them over. Oh, this is a big piece. I guess I won't fold that one on the camera. This is also a bigger one. Boy, I didn't know I had so many big pieces in there. Looks like 2 or 3 yards on those. Okay, this is 2. And I have been kind of keeping track. I decided to start seeing how much fabric I was actually folding, and there's quite a bit. In the last week I have added 30, 40, 50, 60 yards so far, and I'll probably add another 10 to 20 yards today, and I'm hoping eventually I'll get down the bottom. Well, I know I will get down the bottom of the box. So I just fold them around the ruler, fold them in half, and they get put on the shelf that way. And how much have I got left? Oh. This is the stack that's left in that tote, still to be folded. There's a lot of fabric here. But that's a good one. I am finding some really pretty fabric, some stuff that I really like, which is good. It's an old Smokey the Bear kerchief. That's kind of neat. I was thinking of just putting some borders around this and just making a little quilt out of that. Be sure your campfire is out cold before leaving. So I'm not sure, that'll probably go in the miscellaneous fabrics. So this is all I got left in this tote. I like these with the metallic in them. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got silver metallics in it. And these look like mostly half-yard pieces. So I'll fold those up and get them on the shelf, and then find another tote to empty out. So I'm getting there. And that's it for today.